So how much money does TikTok pay for 1 million views, and also what is this monetization feature on TikTok? We're going to talk all about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So here I am logged into my TikTok. And by the way, watch till the end because I'm going to share with you a couple of tips that you can use if you want to maximize your earnings on TikTok. Some of my recent observations. So this monetization program is called Creativity Program Beta. It is the evolution of Creator Fund, but the RPMs are so much better. So here's my dashboard last 30 days. If I look at 6 months, if I look at all time, here's the data. You can see I recently on this account got into this program. I was able to convert my Creator Fund into Creativity Program Beta. Now let's talk about how much you can make inside Creativity Program Beta from 1 million views, because I have a couple of videos that are either close to 1 million or they've crossed 1 million. So this is if you scroll down in the dashboard, you see the data per video. I'll show you in a second how to apply into that program and also how to access the dashboard, so keep on watching. So look at this video right here. This video had, so far it has made $691, and here you go. So you can tell from here, so far the qualified views mean these are the views that are making money. So this video has more views, but only some of those views are qualified. The video has about, I think, 3.5 million views, but then only 1.2 million views are earning money right now. So from 1.2 million views, $619, and here is the RPM, 52 cents. So what this means is, with 1 million views, this video was actually made me $520. Actually, that's what how much I had yesterday on this video. So from 1 million views, you are making $520, let's say $500, which is much better, so much better compared to Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and also YouTube Shorts, because the RPMs on TikTok Creativity Program Beta, they're the best. The catch is your video needs to be over 1 minute long. Now let's look at another video, which is right here, and kind of similar story here. This video hasn't hit 1 million views, 736K, and then 360, but the RPM, you can tell, 448 cents. So that means when this video hits 1 million qualified views, it's gonna make me almost $480, so let's say $500, similar to the other video. So by the way, if you want me to go into more details of this program, the application, the eligibility, and then also how does this qualified views count, let me know in the comments and I can create detailed tutorial or video about the Creativity Program Beta on TikTok. Now let me go back and show you this profile. So here is that video that we were looking at right here, 3.9 million views. So this video, and from 3.9 to almost 4 million views, but only 1.2 million views were qualified views, meaning those are the views that were making me money. And then here's the other video, 1.6 million views, you can see here, but then only 765,000 they were counted towards the monetization. Not every view counts towards monetization. Now, how do you access that dashboard? So if you're gonna click on settings, then creator tools, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see Creativity Program Beta. This used to be called Creator Fund, and then I got application, or I got invitation to convert that and apply for Creativity Program Beta, and I'm so glad I did it because the RPMs, the CPMs are so much better. It used to be just cents. Actually, I think in the Creator Fund, 1 million views used to make me about $20–30, I think 50 at the max, but here it's like 533 or 520. So much better than the Creator Fund program. So this is how much you make on TikTok. If you have any question about monetization on TikTok or any other short form platforms, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.